In this video, I'll show you how to create a BlueSky account step by step so you can be part of this fresh and innovative space. This app is taking the internet by storm, and it is really easy to make and set up your BlueSky account, so just follow my steps. The process is absolutely the same for both iPhone and Android devices, so if you're an Android user, you can also follow me. We will open the BlueSky application on our device, and then you'll see this interface. We have a sign-in option, but since we don't have an account, we're going to click on this Create Account option right here. This will then prompt us to enter in our email address that we will use with our BlueSky account. We need to enter the password which we're going to use with this app, and also add your birth date information, and we can continue to the next step. Step number 2 is to enter our handle, and this is essentially the username which we will use for our BlueSky account. My username will be Tutor, and make sure to follow me on BlueSky once you create an account. I'll then go to the next step, which will ask us to verify that we are a human. So just complete the puzzle or select the photos, and then let's continue to the next steps. You can select if you want to receive notifications from this app, but I'll turn them off for now. Our job now is to add a profile photo to our account, and let's click on this little pen icon, which will then open our photo gallery. Select a photo which you want to use as your profile picture on the platform, and I'll select a random photo for the purpose of this video. The last step is to select what our interests are, and I'll tap on a couple of them, which will then help the app in understanding what content it should show you in the home page. Once you complete this last step, you will have your account created on the BlueSky social application. You can start using the app, start posting, and enjoying the platform. I will do more similar tutorials about this application, so make sure you subscribe to Tutor, and I'll see you in the next video.